DJI RS5. Electronic briefcase handle. Installation. Loosen the adjustment knob. Extend the handle, then tighten the knob. Loosen the NATO locking knob counterclockwise to its limit. Hold the handle with your right hand. Place your left thumb on the pan axis lever and use your left index and middle fingers to support the front end of the handle. Slide the handle upward from below into the RSA NATO ports of the gimbal. A click at the port indicates that the electronic briefcase handle is properly installed. Tighten the NATO locking knob while holding the front end of the handle. Handle opening angle can be adjusted using the adjustment knob. Using. You can control the gimbal and camera using the buttons on the handle. When using a heavier lens, hold the gimbal grip with one hand and the electronic briefcase handle with the other to distribute weight and enhance stability. The top of the handle is equipped with a cold shoe mount, a 1/4 threaded hole, and positioning holes, allowing you to attach additional accessories. Removal. Turn the NATO locking knob counterclockwise to loosen it. Toggle and hold the anti-detachment lock on the front end of the handle, then remove the handle.